Well, good morning. Welcome to AA Berry Farm. As I promised you, I'm taking you through the steps to a new blueberry planting. This is a new field that we're putting in, and our workers are out here today. It's kind of cool and windy, but a beautiful, beautiful blue sky day. And they're planting this field. Now, I've talked to you about putting out the bark. We've talked about the drip tape. And now today, what we're going to do, we're going to actually look at the plants as they're being planted. These are called rooted cuttings. This is a Rabbiteye. It's called Titan. These plants are supposed to make really big berries, really big berries. Watch as they plant them in the dirt. A lot of hand labor here. We got a great group working. They put the plants in, pack the dirt around, pack it around, so it takes a minute or two. Again, these are called Titans, and it will take usually it takes about 3 years before the plants are big enough for us to actually harvest. We'll have blueberries the second year, but for the harvester or hand pickers to come out here, it'll probably be about 3 years. But this field is almost planted, but you see it takes a good bit of hand labor, back-breaking hand labor. Let me step over here and let you get a close-up. They've already made the holes. Now she's dropping the plant in, and then once they put it in, they pack it really good. So hopefully this field will make lots of berries in about 3 years. Like I said, it's a beautiful day, lots of sun here in South Georgia. It's a little nippy this morning. And so they're finishing up today, and I thought I would bring you along and let you see the Titans. The Titans. Hopefully I'll be able to show you how these little plants will grow in 3 years. But you'll notice they're just kind of a stick. They don't look like much. If you look across the field, you really don't even notice that they're in the ground because they're so small. But it's amazing how well they'll grow. We have one more field that we'll be planting, but that'll be my favorite, the key crisp. So, I hope to see you again soon. Hope you enjoy this video. And you have a blessed day. God loves you.